Kashmore, a district in the Sindh province of Pakistan, holds a unique position geographically and culturally. Situated at the junction of three provinces, Sindh, Punjab and Balochistan, it stands as a testament to the diverse tapestry of Pakistan. Carved out of the Yaqubabad district in 2004, Kashmore is a relatively young district, yet it brims with history and natural wonders. The region's fertile lands, nourished by the mighty Indus River, have been a cradle of civilization for centuries. Kashmore is a land of contrasts, where the green embrace of the Indus River Valley meets the golden expanse of the Thar Desert. The district is a blend of rural landscapes dotted with agricultural fields and bustling urban centres like Kandakot, its largest city. The people of Kashmore, known for their warmth and hospitality, reflect the diverse ethnicities that call this region home. As we delve deeper into the heart of Kashmore, we uncover the stories etched into its landscape, the challenges it faces, and the enduring spirit of its people. The Indus River, often referred to as the lifeline of Pakistan, flows through Kashmore with a majestic grace, its waters a source of life and livelihood for the region. For centuries, the people of Kashmore have lived in harmony with the river, their lives intrinsically linked to its rhythm. The fertile plains flanking the river are a testament to the Indus's life-giving force. These lands, nourished by the river's silt deposits, are a patchwork of emerald green fields, where farmers cultivate a variety of crops, including wheat, cotton, rice and sugarcane. Fishing, another vital source of livelihood, thrives along the Indus. The river teems with a variety of fish species, providing sustenance and income for many families. The Indus's bounty sustains not only the physical needs of the people, but also their cultural traditions, with many local customs and celebrations revolving around the river's cycles. In the heart of Kashmore, along the banks of the Indus River, lie the Kachar forests, a unique ecosystem that provides a stark contrast to the surrounding arid landscape. These forests, known for their dense vegetation and rich biodiversity, are a testament to nature's resilience and adaptability. They stand as a green haven, offering refuge to a variety of flora and fauna, and playing a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of the region. The term Kachar refers to the land that is seasonally inundated by the floodwaters of the Indus River. The most dominant tree species found here is the babul, known for its hardiness and ability to thrive in harsh conditions. The Kachar forests are home to a diverse array of wildlife, some of which are endangered or threatened. Other notable inhabitants include wild boar, jackals, foxes, and a variety of bird species, making these forests a haven for biodiversity. In striking contrast to the lush greenery of the Indus River Valley, the Thar Desert stretches towards the east of Kashmore, a vast expanse of golden sand dunes that embodies both beauty and harshness. The Thar, known as the Great Indian Desert, is the world's 19th largest desert and is a dominant geographical feature of the region, shaping not just the landscape but also the lives and livelihoods of the people. The desert's beauty lies in its starkness, its ever-shifting sand dunes sculpted by the wind into mesmerizing patterns. The silence of the desert, broken only by the occasional gust of wind, can be both eerie and exhilarating. Despite its harsh conditions, the Thar Desert is far from lifeless. It is home to a surprising array of flora and fauna that have adapted to survive in this arid environment. Camels, often called the ships of the desert, are a common sight, their resilience and ability to survive without water for long periods, making them ideal for traversing the sandy terrain. Section 5, a land of extremes, Kashmore's climate and terrain. Kashmore experiences an arid climate characterized by hot summers and mild winters. The region's proximity to the Thar Desert greatly influences its weather patterns. Summers, stretching from April to October, are scorching, with temperatures often soaring above 45 degrees Celsius or 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Winters, from November to March, offer some respite from the heat, with temperatures ranging from 10 to 25 degrees Celsius or 50 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Rainfall is scarce and unpredictable, averaging less than 200 millimeters or 8 inches annually. The terrain of Kashmore is as diverse as its climate, ranging from the flat, fertile plains along the Indus River to the undulating sand dunes of the Thar Desert. The Indus River Valley, with its alluvial soil deposits, is ideal for agriculture. Section 6, Gems of Kashmore, from parks to engineering marvels. Amidst the natural beauty of Kashmore, several sites stand out as testaments to human ingenuity and the region's rich history. Kankot City Park, a verdant oasis in the heart of the city, offers a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of urban life. The park, with its lush green lawns, colourful flower beds and tranquil walking path, is a popular spot for families to gather, children to play and residents to enjoy a moment of peace. Another notable site is the Gudu Barrage, an engineering marvel built on the Indus River. Completed in 1962, the barrage serves multiple purposes including irrigation, flood control and power generation. For history enthusiasts, a visit to the ruins of ancient cities like Ara and Ukh provides a glimpse into the region's rich past. Section 7. Nature's Bounty. Kashmore's economy rooted in its environment. Kashmore's economy is deeply intertwined with its natural environment. Agriculture, the backbone of the district's economy, relies heavily on the fertile lands of the Indus River Valley and the life-giving waters of the river itself. Wheat, cotton, rice and sugarcane are the major crops grown in the region. The agricultural sector not only provides employment to a significant portion of the population, but also contributes significantly to the local economy. The abundance of agricultural produce also supports a thriving livestock industry, with farmers rearing cattle, buffaloes, sheep and goats. Beyond agriculture, Kashmore is also rich in natural resources, particularly natural gas. The extraction and processing of natural gas provide employment opportunities and contribute to the national economy. Section 8. Shadows on the horizon, environmental challenges and concerns. Despite its natural wealth, Kashmore faces several environmental challenges that threaten its delicate ecosystem and the livelihoods of its people. Deforestation, driven by the demand for fuelwood and timber, is a pressing concern. The indiscriminate cutting of trees, particularly in the Kachar forests, has led to habitat loss, soil erosion, and a decline in biodiversity. Water management poses another significant challenge. The Indus River, while a source of life for the region, is also prone to flooding, particularly during the monsoon season. Uncontrolled flooding can cause widespread damage to crops, infrastructure, and human settlements. The increasing demand for water for agriculture and other purposes has put a strain on the river's resources, leading to water scarcity in some areas. Section 9. Unveiling the Hidden Gem. A guide to visiting Kashmore. Kashmore, with its unique blend of natural beauty, cultural heritage and warm hospitality, offers a rewarding experience for adventurous travelers. The best time to visit is during the cooler months, from October to March, when the weather is pleasant for exploring the outdoors. Accessing Kashmore is relatively easy with well-connected road and rail networks. The nearest airport is in Sukur, about 150 kilometers or 93 miles away. From there, one can hire a car or take a bus to Kashmore. While Kashmore is generally safe for tourists, it's advisable to exercise caution and respect local customs. Section 10. Kashmore's Crossroads, a future intertwined with nature. Kashmore stands at a crossroads, its future intricately intertwined with the fate of its natural environment. The challenges are real and pressing, from deforestation and water scarcity to lawlessness and climate change. Addressing these issues requires a multi-pronged approach, one that involves sustainable practices, effective governance, and community engagement. Promoting sustainable agriculture, preserving the remaining forests, and adopting responsible water management practices are crucial steps towards ensuring a balance between human needs and environmental conservation. By embracing sustainable practices and addressing the root causes of environmental degradation, Kashmore can chart a path towards a brighter future, one where nature and humans coexist in harmony.